Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up a 1950s Craftsman streamlined design pipe wrench. This thing's 14 inch and from what I hear, they're actually kind of rare to find. This is the first one that I found in a while, so I was pretty stoked. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, y'all ready for this? This is the Craftsman 14 inch streamlined pipe wrench. From what my buddies say is that these are getting harder and harder to find. They're actually pretty rare. So I want to get this cleaned up to the best of our ability. We're going to fully break it down and go from there. We'll see where this project takes us. So let's go. There it is. We just got to knock the pin out for the lower jaw. Let me get reset up and we'll get to that. Okay, we can at least see the pin now. Hopefully you guys can see that, because I had a hard time saying it. Let me go grab some punches and we'll knock this thing right out. Alright. I'll put as a punch right on there. See if we can't pop right through it. Well, she don't want to go anywhere. It's starting to move. Let me get it a little bit more. Then without causing any more undue stress to it, because this is just cast, I don't want to break it or anything. We're going to use some built hammer Ferrosol. Get that down in there, let that do its magic. We'll let this sit there, I don't know, maybe a minute or two. We'll see if we can't pop it the rest of the way through. Well, I got the pin out. Now I got my drift punch stuck. I apologize, the neighbor's got to mow grass at 7 o'clock in the morning. But at least they're cutting their grass, right? Alright, we got the pin out. Just need to try and separate the jaw from the body. This thing is really in there. It's rusted pretty bad. I definitely need to get this out. There we go. Cool. We are all broke down. I want to take this to the wire wheel, clean it up the best we can, and I'll show you what we got after that. All right, well, we got all of the rust off of this pipe wrench. Quite happy with that. All the old paint off there. We got all inside. There's no rust anywhere left on this. So what we want to do, I want to soak it in some Deox C. Any bit of deep-seated rust, I want to get that out of there so it doesn't come back. So we are going to pour our Deox C in here, and we'll come back to this tomorrow morning. Apologize about the dogs, guys. Perfect. Alright guys, well, it's been a few hours. I'm going to pull this stuff out, get it cleaned up a little bit, and we'll see what we got. I think we're going to be pretty good. I really do think we will be. All right, well, it came out really clean. Quite happy with it. I do want to get in here a little bit more with a Dremel. There is still a little bit of paint up in the corners and crevices. I got to get that out. Other than that, I'm quite happy with it. I think I am going to run this on the 1x30 and take the hard forge marks off. It's real sharp back here. Real sharp on the handle. Alrighty, well, after running back over it with the Dremel, I cleaned up everything. Like I said, it's silky smooth in the hand. It's a good looking wrench. Got all the rust out of it. I think what I'm going to do is a lacquer coat on here. I do want to highlight some embellishments, and other than that, I think we're done with this. So let me hang a few of these pieces up. We'll get them sprayed, and we'll get them protected so they don't flash rust. Alrighty, so let me show you what we got going on. We got the lettering done. The wrench is all dry. Made in the USA. That's all done. Nice and silky smooth. This thing is in beautiful condition. We are going to start putting this back together. Okay, that's the bottom jaw. Pin. Well, there it is. Jaw's back on. Nice. Let's go with the thumb wheel. Well, we can't ask for a better looking wrench than that now, can we? I like it. I like it a lot. Very nice. And that is it for this one. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. The Craftsman Pipe Wrench came out absolutely awesome. It's super clean, it's simplistic, it looks sharp. I am quite happy with it. I hope you guys are too. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.